black girls.
Hey guys, hello. So let's hop right into today's install. So this wig I'm installing is a deep wave 30-inch wig from Alipearl, and I'm so excited to work with Alipearl because it's a company that I can actually say good things or say my honest opinion about, because I've spent my money on this company many times. Before I did YouTube, after I've done YouTube, I recommend this hair, and I gotta say, this company's deep wave is one of my favorite. I feel like they're one of the OG deep waves in my opinion. The hair is really good quality. The curls, honestly, I'm really just here for the curls. Like their deep wave curls so uniquely to me. It's one of my favorite, and it's just such a pretty curl. But I'll talk more on my thoughts on the hair in general. But let's just hop into the install real quick. So I am using my Ebon lace spray to just go ahead and lay down the lace. I'm spraying this as close to the hairline as possible, and then I'm using my blow dryer on a cool setting to help just dry all of that up, and just using the rat tail comb as well to just push everything into the lace. Once I've successfully done that, I'm using my little cuticle scissors. They're meant for your nails, like your nail cuticles, but these work great for cutting off your lace because they're really sharp and precise, and you can get a nice jagged cut with them instead of using regular scissors. Once I've done that, I'm just using that comb again to make sure I'm pushing the lace, make sure everything's nice and pushed down. And I'm using my elastic band to help me, push that lace down, let everything just dry before I proceed to actually um, laying my baby hairs, because we don't want any lifting. So right here, I'm just trying to do the hair in a side part because I was like, ooh, let me do a side part, because I've been like on a side part kick, especially with closures, because figuring out I can do any type of hair look with a closure is my favorite thing, like so far that I figured out with hair. But I ended up realizing the side part was not giving, so let's just do a middle part. Let's keep it nice and easy, because sometimes less is more, babes. Less is more. So just ignore these clips of me suffering to try to make a side part look the way I wanted to look. It just wasn't working out for me. But back to my thoughts on this hair, right? So this is a deep wave texture. I can really speak mainly on Alipearl deep wave because that's when I've bought a lot of times. And each time, I swear I get the most compliments. That's whenever I feel like one of my first YouTube videos is with the deep wave. One thing I really like about it is the way that the hair just the way that the hair curls. It's a curl pattern that is really unique to me. As far as Alipearl's quality, I would say their deep wave texture is very nice and thick. So you could do 3 bundles, whether you're getting like, a frontal or closure, or even their standard 150 works. But I would say I kind of prefer this hair as bundles than getting it as a wig, only because the wig sometimes, not gonna lie to you, the ends can be a little bit thin. Even this one, since it was 30 inches of hair, the ends were thin at the bottom, and I had to chop that, which you will see. So I feel like if you get the bundles, at least you can control the thickness, and I feel like the ends are better on the bundles in my opinion. But besides that longevity, I do have a wig that I got from this company a couple months ago, and I've had that for about 6 months. It is starting to tangle up on me, but the curls refresh easily. I think that's one thing I really want to mention. While the hair quality itself, maybe like, yeah, it does shed and it does tangle, but it's the way the curls bounce back once you just define everything. Like, it can be tangling and shedding, but no one will know because it looks great. Like, that it's not doing well, but no one else knows that. That's one thing I like about Alipearl's hair. But the hair can last you, I would say, a good 6 to 7 months in total, maybe even longer if you're not sleeping in the wig. But it's like your everyday wig. 6 to 7, 8, maybe a year, but anything past that, girl, get you a new wig, okay? If you're sleeping in this wig, yeah, it's gonna tangle a lot, just saying. But besides that, I find this to be one of my favorite, like, AliExpress companies, the more affordable side company. I've also tried their Amazon store hair because it was more convenient. It comes to you much faster than the like regular AliExpress or their official website, because I think they have like Amazon Prime, so I got it in 2 days, and I tried that and I really enjoyed it as well. As far as closures and frontals, I've tried their standard and their HD from Alipearl, and I would say they have a pretty good HD lace. It does give me more transparent vibes, if anything, and from what I've learned, HD laces are not really meant to be like transparent lace. It's supposed to just be able to blend into your hairline a lot. I mean, like this wig itself, it melted into my hairline pretty easily, but I did, go ahead and tint it like you saw me do in the beginning. But there's some HD laces that literally no tinting is needed, that it just melts. So I would say they're when it comes to the HD. Like, it's not like phenomenal, but it's not bad. It gets you through. Like I said, they are one more affordable company, so you kind of get what you can pay for when you think about that. As far as their standard laces are pretty fine. I've been able to melt and blend those in just as well. So maybe I would say save your money and probably get the standard lace instead of splurging the extra money to get the HD. And probably maybe if you really want HD, get HD from like a really well-known HD brand, you know? But as far as my review, I would say this hair company overall is a 8 out of 10 because like the quality of the hair, the curls is always beautiful, the hair is always soft, it bounced back easily, and I feel like for the curly hair it's not too high maintenance. Like the hair can last in the style without getting too frizzy for about like 2 to 3 days, and after like those starts to get really big and puffy, but still easy maintenance in my opinion. It's affordable. I never had any troubles with them, but like I was saying earlier, it does tangle, it does shed, and probably won't last you that long, like 2-3 years, but it can last you a good amount. You can get your $200 to $300 money worth out of this wig in my opinion. But that is all I have to say as far as my review. So the next clip is just gonna be me detangling out these curls. Like y'all can see just how beautiful these curls are, like especially when it's like on shorter hair, like a bob with this curl pattern. Mwah, chef kiss, y'all. Like look at my other videos. Maybe I have to insert pictures to show y'all, but this curly hair in a bob is just so freaking nice. But yeah, let's get into the rest of the video.
There's pen black girls in my area cold. Dark skin, light skin, medium tones. Perm braids got mini afros. Thick lips got hips, some of us don't. Big nose contour, some of us won't. Never wanna put us in the media, bro. Want a fat beauty like Kardashians, no. Want a fat beauty like my aunt got, yo. Wheel up the block clock, tell her reload it. I've got the camera, my girls are posing. I need some backup, then my ones are rolling. Grown woman thinks I'm never at risk. Mind my own business, I'm never in mess. Who am I ain't bait, get a slice of the cake. Want a house with a view and a new pair of shoes. Keep it real from the jump, Gucci gang. Little vibe, little bass, little kick, little snare. Little lies, big truths, do you, they don't care. Do you, they don't care. Get your ass out the box and build up from there. I don't have a gang with me, but I still walk with a gangster lean. I rock Nikes cause we think they're clean. MJ leather jacket, beat it Billie Jean. MJ leather jacket cause I think I'm bad. That's cool, I like it. The growth, the light, the pain, the fight. We love, we fight, we hurt, we cry. He paid the price, you'll be I think I need some time away. I took a little time. I pray we gon' be alright. Okay, alright. Okay, alright. Okay. I think I need some time away. I took a little time. I pray we gon' be alright. Okay, alright. Okay, alright. Okay. And you said there's pink black girls, not area code. These black girls need to be in the shows. Be on the runways, not just mood boards. On top of that, I wanna see when your team. Look at your crown, natural relax to the Jericho. On time, soft and sheen. Where black girl magic is sometimes blue. My broke a hairband or two. Raise my voice, she gonna say that I'm angry. Kiss my teeth, and now you say that I'm hood. Hit at 16, you say it's my destiny. Driving a range, you think I'm up to no good. Give us a break and let it breathe, man. Give me a chance, let's achieve, fam. And I know that my hair looks a bit different today, so don't touch my hair. Like new hair, who this? Old black woman jacket and a band to twist. Look, mind over matter, I can handle this. We're fine to the second the rewards in risk. See, I think that I care too much. Bottle of some cover, see air. 2 cups, I've got nothing to show, but you love. Check my flaws and all my flaws. I was black back when it wasn't even in style. That's cool, I like it. The growth, the light, the pain, the fight. We love, we fight, we hurt, we cry. He paid the price, you'll be. I think I need some time away. I took a little time. I pray we gon' be alright. Okay, alright. Okay, alright. Okay. I think I need some time away. I took a little time. I pray we gon' be alright. Okay, alright. Okay. girls in my area cold. Dark skin, light skin, medium tones. Perm braids got mini afros. Thick lips got hips, some of us don't. Big nose contour, some of us won't. Never wanna put us in the media, bro. Want a fat beauty like Kardashians, no. Want a fat beauty like my aunt, yo. Wheel up the block clock, tell her reload it. I've got the camera, my girls are posing. I need some backup, then my ones are rolling. Grown woman thinks I'm never at risk. Mind my own business, I'm never in mess. Who am I ain't big, get a slice of the cake. Want a house with a view and a new pair of shoes. Keep it real from the jump, Gucci gang. Little vibe, little bass, little kick, little snare. Little lies, big truths, do you, they don't care. Do you, they don't care. Get your ass out the box and build up from there. I don't have a gang with me, but I still walk with a gangster lean. I brought Nikes cause we think they're clean. MJ leather jacket, beat it Billie Jean. MJ leather jacket cause I think I'm bad. That's cool, I like it. The growth, the light, the pain, the fight. We love, we fight, we hurt, we cry. We pay the price, you'll be alright. I think I need some time away. I took a little time. I pray we gon' be alright. Okay, alright. Okay, alright. Okay. I think I need some time away. I took a little time.
And I am back. This is what the hair was looking like after, like, I'll say 85% dry. I didn't want to run my fingers through it too much because I didn't want the curls to get like messy. But this is how she's looking. You can see just how nice and defined their curls are. Like the curls always just clump together so nicely, and the gloss on the hair is just so beautiful. Like I'm telling y'all, one of my favorite curly whip patterns. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Hope to see you guys in a next one. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And peace out, Girl Scouts. Goodbye.
Give me a chance as a chief, and I know that my hair looks a bit different today.